Welcome back to House of Oon. On today's episode, I wear my sunglasses because I've got the sun directly in my eyes right now. Also, we're going to be stripping this thing, getting out all the weight that we don't need so that we can make it as lightweight as possible. Also, we're going to be pulling out the standard engine, getting ready for the big block, and we're also going to be doing the rust repair in the floor. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned while I get this thing into the workshop. Great success! The engine then decided that it didn't want to start again, so I just brought it in on the starter motor.
Through the sweat and tears, we've come so far. 80 chapters deep, we've reached the final hour. With every twist and turn, we've shared the laughs and pain. Now it's time to close the book, bid farewell to this reign. We fought our battles, faced our fears. The story's told, the end is near.
One tow bar. That's got to be 20 kilos.
At least.
The final act, the curtain falls, but the memories will forever enthrall. We fought our battles, faced our fears. The story's told, the end is near. The final act, the curtain falls, but the memories will forever enthrall. We will continue to conquer the world.
The factory caster bushes were completely shagged, so to save some personal money and some time, I decided to 3D print some replacement bushes. These were printed solid out of TPU, which is a flexible filament.
I'm the one with the fire, I'm the one with the spark. Gonna light up the stage, gonna make my mark. I'm a force to be reckoned with, don't you see? Ain't no one gonna stop me, I'm breaking free. I walk with confidence, I got the swagger. I'm a machine, baby, always on the matter. I'm the king of the game, I'll wear the crown. When I hit the stage, I'll bring the whole town down. I'm beating the competition, leaving them behind. I'm soaring so high, catching the wind, standing tall. I'll never fall. I'm beating the
How's the squirties going for you?
It's going bloody awesome. I wish I could spray every bottle like this.
You might need to go to the toilet. You got the squirt sat there.
Yeah, a bit leaky.
Street lights flashing in the night, engine growls ready for a fight. Midnight runs under the neon glow, fast out to where we wanna go.
Once again, I got the 3D printer busy with printing a pair of front body mounts for the Dado. I printed these bushes with roughly 20% infill to give them more compliance so they don't transfer too much NVH through the car. The factory bushes originally had crushed tubes in them, so I simply cut some 1-inch steel tube and pressed them in.
In a world of plastic dreams we roam, building castles from our home. Layer by layer we create a future bright, a brand new state. Print my heart and print my soul, 3D wonders making us whole. From our minds to our hands, printed dreams across the lands. Filaments of vibrant hues, crafting visions we can use. Tiny gears and colored clay, innovation lights our way. Print my heart and print my soul, 3D wonders making us whole. From our minds to our hands, printed dreams across the lands. Dimension hearts and shape delight, reality within our sight. A softer touch, a complex mold, every dream as good as gold. Print my heart and print my soul, 3D wonders making us whole. From our minds to our hands, printed dreams across the lands.
Kicking up dust, full speed ahead. On a dirt road, let the tires shred. Engine roaring, adrenaline high. Off-road racing, gonna touch the sky. Muddy tracks, so outright we chase. Heart pounding, can't keep up the pace. Through the hills and
Now it's time to get started on the rust repairs. Let me just start by saying that I am in no way a rust repair specialist. I've done a handful of rust repairs before, but this was by far the biggest job that I've ever taken on. Luckily, it's only our race car and it doesn't need to be perfect. I started out by wire wheeling the floor to determine exactly how bad the rust was, which is almost always worse than before you touch it.
leaving all our worries behind. In this race, we're free and alive. Off-road racing, our spirit is thrive. The crowd cheering as we blaze along. Push the limits, never steering wrong. Adrenaline pumping through our veins. Off-road racing, it's in our race. be tamed on this wild, untamed terrain. Going fast, living loud, off on a race, and we're in the crowd. Feel the rush, can't be tamed. On the track, no looking forward, no turning back. Fuel of passion drives us wild, racing hearts like running wild. Racing hearts until the break of dawn, never slowing down till the thrill is gone. Chrome and steel, singing our song, racing hearts where we belong.
Well, there we have it. We've got the engine out of the car. We've stripped a bit of weight out of the car as well. We have fixed all the rust in the floor and the sill. And we've also 3D printed a few bushes. Hopefully you've all enjoyed watching today's video. If you have, feel free to give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Doesn't smell as foul as what was in the magma.
Not too bad.